Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Gold price forecast XAU USD awaits a fresh direction from the US NFP Analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID 3AB56394 2023 48:1 AM. Gold attempts a bounce but lacks follow-through. US dollar holds the recent bounce amid risk-off mood. All eyes on the US NFP data for the next direction. Gold XAU USD extended the previous sell-off and finished Thursday in the red around $1,931, despite the sharp declines in the Wall Street indices, which fueled a broad risk aversion. Meanwhile, the US dollar witnessed an up-and-down session, mostly holding up the recent bounce fueled by the hopes of improved US economic recovery. The U.S. jobless claims came in below the 1 million level last week, while the country's manufacturing sector activity remained solid. U.S. policymakers showed a sense of urgency on additional fiscal stimulus to boost the economic rebound from the coronavirus impact. Despite the overnight bounce in gold, the bulls remain unnerved ahead of the critical U.S. non-farm payrolls data due to be published later on Friday at 12:30 GMT. The key U.S. jobs report will offer fresh hints on the strength of the economic recovery, given the slowdown in jobs growth. The economy is expected to add 1,400,000 jobs in August versus 1,763,000 prior, while the jobless rate is seen ticking lower to 9.8% from July's 10.2%. Any disappointment in the labor market report could prompt the return of the dollar bears and bode well for gold. In the meantime, the pre-NFP caution trading is likely to remain in play, with the dollar dynamics closely followed. Gold hourly chart. Despite a falling trend line breakout and an uptick on the relative strength index RSI on the hourly chart, the upside attempts remain capped by the bearish 50-hourly simple moving average HMA at $1,944. Gold daily chart. Meanwhile, on the daily chart, the spot clings onto the critical triangle support at $19.25 in the lead-up to the U.S. payrolls release. On the flip side, the downward-facing 21 daily simple moving average DMA at $1,955 could limit the advances. The daily RSI trades neutral at the midline, suggesting a lack of clear directional bias. Therefore, the U.S. data will emerge as the key decider for the next direction in the bright metal. The path of least resistance appears to the upside, in light of a bunch of healthy support levels in the major SMAs. NBSP gold additional levels to consider. XAU USD overview today: last price 1938.05, today daily change 6.91, today daily change percent 0.36, today daily open 1931.12, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 1955.42, daily SMA 50 1900, daily SMA 100 1810.18, daily SMA 200 1688.47, NBSP levels: previous daily high 1951.18, previous daily low 1921.97, previous weekly high 1976.79, previous weekly low 1902.76, previous monthly high 2075.32, previous monthly low 1863.24, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1933.13, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1940.02, daily pivot point S1 1918.33, daily pivot point S2 1905.55, daily pivot point S3 1889.12, daily pivot point R1 1947.54, daily pivot point R2 1963.97, daily pivot point R3 1976.75, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.